Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change execution policy to allow local PowerShell scripts to run without signing. So if you want to do it, first you need to click rightmost button icon with a start, and after that you need to go to settings. Then from the left panel you need to open system settings and you need to scroll down. After that you need to open here advanced performance optimization and developer feature settings. So I click on the icon with an arrow to display these settings, and now I need to scroll down and find here PowerShell option. If we want to display settings for PowerShell, we need to click on this box. So if you want to turn on these settings to execute PowerShell scripts, you need to enable this one option, change execution policy to allow local PowerShell scripts to run without signing. It requires signing for remote scripts. So I click on this one dot, and after that it will be enabled. Of course, remember that you can always try to disable this option by clicking on this one white dot. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.